Well, well, well. What do we have here? A 2025 GasGas EX300. Drove down to Ohio to pick this bad girl up yesterday, and we're about to go ride it for the first time today. Probably not gonna go too crazy because we still need to get a little break-in on it, but sold the KTM last weekend, and I couldn't be bikeless for too long, so had to go make this happen. Shout out to Championship Power Sports in, I think it's Wausau, Ohio. Hooking me up. Good deal. This thing's sharp. Red frame, looking sick. Got some handguards on the way, so try to keep our knuckles intact until then. But yeah, dude, this thing is ready to race, kinda. It's not a KTM, but pretty close. Sick nonetheless. Well, I've got 1.7 hours on this thing already, and I've already determined I need some different handlebars. These have got kind of a weird sweep on them. They're a lot shorter, but it feels like they sweep back, and then they sweep back like this also. So I really liked how my KTM bars felt, so I got some Pro taper, just KTM bends. And then we also got some grip donuts, bar ends, and then everything for the handguards. So we've got a race tomorrow, so I'm gonna get to work on putting some stuff together. I couldn't forget the most important part too. Got a brand new set of purple ODI grips, so this bike can be a part of the Purple Grip gang, dude. Let's go. All right, don't judge my POV shots. This is the only way I can get it with my helmet cam. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I guess we can start by getting these bars off. This cool GasGas bar pad. All this stuff should be able to slide off now. Yeah, these bars are kind of funky. I think they were pushed back maybe a little bit. You can definitely tell there's a sweep in these. Let's start with the bar install. Nice. I'm gonna have a tough choice. Do I put the GasGas bar pad back on, or do I rock the Pro taper? Yeah, these definitely feel better. All right, we need to slide this guy on. I'd say that looks like straight up from the fork. So we will tighten this down lightly, just to kind of lock it in place. What do we have here? Oh, look what the cat's dragged in. Justin Foster, what do you have to say to YouTube right now?
It's okay, baby girl.
What the hell? All right, back to our regularly scheduled programming. Let's get these grips going and double check to make sure I'm putting the right cam back on. Should have done this while I was still on the bike. I think this one might just fit in here. It does. And we will make sure the ODI is pointing up. Actually, no, I need to drill these first because I'm putting bar ends in, so I don't need these. Okay, so that was a lot easier than what I've done before. I've like drilled this out. I've had to clean it up on the end. I literally just took this rod in here and these that seemed to pop out nice. So I'm just gonna use a little razor to clean that up. I'll use that guy right here, but I can demonstrate that on this one hopefully. There we go. Dialed. That's got to be the cleanest set I've ever done. Okay, now we have these punched out and we'll get them installed on here. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna steal the cam off of this one. Look at this loser. What up, bro? Hey, don't say that on YouTube. I'm gonna get demonetized. Don't say that on YouTube, I'm gonna get demonetized. Wow, what a friend you are. I knocked him out instead of drilling it, and it was like way nicer. I just took like a rod and just pop, and it just popped the ends right out. Yeah. Perfect size.
What's cool?
Then. Oh yeah, that looks mint. 100%. Ooh, sticker. Nice. Okay. Need to get out my freaking torch bits. T30. Dude, I am so good. I'm so good, bro. Watch, is this the same size? Oh, dude, just holding this up here, I can tell it's gonna look absolutely sick. Oh yeah, those grips are fine. Or the levers are fine.
They look super thick, so I think they're gonna be great.
Oh yeah, try like flexing that.
Oh shit, dude.
Well, and the good thing about these is they do flex.
Yeah.
There's no metal bar behind that.
Right.
So I can clip a tree going pretty good, and it's not gonna throw me off. Yeah, that looks really nice with the bar pad and everything. And they feel way. It feels sportier.
Yeah.
Like I'll feel really good standing up too. Well, I don't know if this video is going to be tied in with the race video or if I'll just make one by itself. So I'll say we're good here. Actually, I'm going to finish it out on the phone because the phone has better camera. This is just for the POV. Shoo-wee! Damn, son. What do you think?
Looks good.
That turned out really good. Hopefully all of my POV footage turned out good. If not, there'll just be a before and after. But I think this is going to be a separate video. Tomorrow, I'm racing Polka Dots Hare Scramble. And that will be the second ride on this bike. That's crazy. So yeah, 1.7 hours on this thing. This will be the second ride riding Polka Dots tomorrow. So she will get a proper shakedown, but I say she is in hare scramble condition now. Just need a skid plate, but I'm not taking the enduro cross section, so should be all right. Is hopefully not famous last words, but
You're gonna miss the bypass.
yeah. So yeah, SX slide plate, Burley handguards. These things are sick. New Pro Taper bar, way better. And then we got purple grip gang. Ooh, it's a little tight. We'll check that out. Tusk bar ends, ODI grip donuts, and Pro Taper bars. And you can see, hopefully I have a picture that can convey that, but they're like way higher up and a lot less bend back than the other ones. So yeah, I'm gonna sign it off here. Justin, any last words?
Good luck.
I'm gonna kill him after this.
Somebody help me.
All right, boys. Signing off. XCW. Whoa! Oopsie. Put that in the bloopers. Good morning. It is Polka Dots morning. We are all loaded up. Got the bike ready to go. New handguards, grips, bars. Good to go. Filmed the video on that yesterday. Hopefully I'll have that out maybe today. Try to have that out today or tomorrow. But as of now, we are all loaded up, ready to go. Gonna go pick up Miss Daisy, aka Justin, and we're gonna head on down to Midland. Is this thing on?
Yeah.
Well, it was a good day. Good day on the new bike. Ask me some questions, Justin.
How'd the bike ride?
The bike rode phenomenal. We need to adjust suspension a little bit. I may have hit a table or hit a jump thinking it was a table, and I was this close to going to Indonesia, so we got to tighten up that compression just a little bit. But perfect, rode phenomenal. I was just gliding over the whoops, dude, ripping through the sand on the track. Yeah, not much else to say.
How's the power delivery?
Power delivery. Boom! It's there. Dude, this thing is sick. I love this bike. It's so much better than the XCW in terms of power. So, definitely a good purchase. Ask me how I did.
How'd you do, Hubert?
I got unofficial. Okay, so I set out this race. I'm like, I figured there's gonna be a lot more people at this race than some of the other ones. Like Valley Trail, there was like 20 people. So of course I'm gonna get top 20 if I don't totally suck. So I was like, I just want to get. It doesn't matter how many people are here. I want to get top 2/3. And guess what, boys? 31 entries. 21st, baby. So mission accomplished.
Way to go.
There's nothing more to say. And yeah, I think we're gonna sign it off here, boys. So thanks for watching.